All I want for you is to remember that you are the sunshine and you have the power to do everything.
Yeah, first of all, I think with the 2-day training, it has equipped me with like skills to manage
Mhm.
s- stress. I wouldn't even say stress, like just that overwhelming feeling. Um, so whenever something's going bad or it's like extreme, I'm not saying that, oh, when people are shouting at me, I'm completely calm. That's not happening. But the recovery time of that has reduced. Like I didn't spend the whole night um, or the whole day thinking about something negative, and I had the tools, I think, which helped me recover faster.
Good.
So that's what I've learned.
Awesome, awesome. Great, great, great.
This was wonderful workshop. I feel very much excited about it, and I feel very good and energetic. And you have given the word sunshine. I keep on telling everyone that you should say that I'm a sunshine
Yes, I am the
because
sunshine.
that gives you a lot of energy.
Yes,
And if you feel that just I'm a dud, then you will feel a dud only, nothing else.
right, right.
So, and in these 2 days, I will share this that I have seen because I was feeling very good. So I have seen almost double the patients as I used to see earlier. Thank
Woo-hoo!
you very much.
Huge win. That's a huge, huge win. So see what happens. Miracles happen when you are in
Yes.
good energy.
बिल्कुल आपने जो बोला था ना कि आई एम सनशाइन, तो जब मुझे थोड़ा बोदर होता है तो मैं मन में यही सोच रही हूँ कि आई एम सनशाइन, और वो जो क्लाउड है सोरो वाले या मेरे को थोड़ा एंजाइटी रहती है तो वो चले जाएंगे। और
Good.
मैंने अपनी पीरियड्स भी थोड़ी कम की है, मैंने आपसे बात की थी तो उसमें मैंने जो प्लस वाला था उसमें सिर्फ मैं नेक्सिटो ही ले रही हूँ, अभी प्लस वाली टैबलेट्स मैंने नहीं ली है।
वेरी नाइस। ये अभी सिर्फ 2 दिन का असर है।
यस
I like your name, Sunshine. Sunshine, it has got energy within itself
Yes.
that
Yes.
gives you back energy. That energy that comes out in a positive way. I like that name. Yeah, yeah. I feel like joining you. But
गुड। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। 3 चीजें समझिए। लेजीनेस, एक्टिवनेस एंड बैलेंस। नेगेटिव थॉट्स। हाँ जी। ओके, आप क्या करेंगे उनको रिलीज करने के लिए आज?
कि जो होगा वो बेटर ही होगा, अब तक कुछ इतना बुरा नहीं हुआ, सोच सोच के ही हम सोच में ही बुरा सोचते हैं, एक्चुअली में होता ही नहीं है उतना बुरा।
गुड, बढ़िया। तो हम अपने दिमाग में हॉरर स्टोरीज नहीं बनाएंगे,
या
है ना? हम अपने दिमाग में हॉरर स्टोरीज नहीं बनाएंगे, हम अच्छी स्टोरीज बनाएंगे। ठीक है? बिकॉज आवर माइंड इज वेरी पावरफुल।
low feel means saddened, very saddening feeling.
यस।
बट उसके लिए मैं पहले मेरे दिमाग में आया कि मैं घर में ही रहूं, कहीं बाहर ना जाऊं. दैट वाज माय पैटर्न. दैट वाज माय पैटर्न टिल नाउ. बट आई ब्रोक माय पैटर्न. आज हमारी मोदी केयर की मीटिंग थी. आई जस्ट वेंट अवे.
वंडरफुल। सो व्हाट डिड यू लर्न? टेकिंग एक्शन ब्रेक्स
या
पैटर्न्स। ओके,
Procrastination is holding me back.
तो आप क्या एक्शन लेंगे?
ये है कि जो मैंने काम लिखे हुए हैं उनको करना शुरू करेंगे वन बाय वन. ओनली देन
यस,
इट विल बी आई विल बी
यस।
सक्सेसफुल.
एक और स्टेप ले सकते हैं आप, इसमें डेडलाइन लगा सकते हैं।
My challenge right now is downtime, like rest, sleep, not being satisfied with my life here. And I was like, oh, I did so much more. And
Yes, somewhere we have to balance that laziness and the energy. What is the inspired action they want to take today?
जो हो रहा है वो बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे नेगेटिव कुछ भी नहीं सोचना है, क्योंकि पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखूंगी मैं उस चीज में और एक्टिवनेस बढ़ाऊंगी अपनी।
Good, good, very nice. How many of you also think that you learn when other people talk?
yeah,
Yes?
definitely.
जब बाकी लोग बात करते हैं, आप सिर्फ मुझसे नहीं सीख रहे हो, आप बाकी लोगों से भी सीख रहे हो। Right? This is the power of community, guys.
यस
Okay? This is the power of the group. ये एक उंगली कम काम कर सकती है, बट दिस, ये किसी को पड़ जाए तो लग जाएगा उसको। ठीक है? So one finger can do less work. The fist can punch somebody. Yes, this is the power of the group. Good. Again, remember not to overpressure yourself.
Realistic,
Smart
yes.
goals banate hain. Smart goals, right? Which are specific, which are measurable, which are attainable, which are realistic and time bound.
For me, I mean, this is inspiring what you said for procrastination, but I feel it's also, I can use the same technique for myself and like be done sooner. I can put a deadline saying I will work till this time.
Yes.
उसके बाद जितना हुआ उतना हुआ, then I'll go to sleep.
How will you recharge your body otherwise?
Right.
Okay, all these small actions help, but rest is very, very important for the body. While we are doing the activities, हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमें रेस्ट भी जरूरी है. मेरा गोल हो सकता है कि मुझे ये मैराथन दौड़ना है. ओके, ये मेरा गोल हो सकता है. बट ये मेरा गोल क्यों है? That is the intention. I'm trying to explain you the difference between the goal and the intention. Now I want you to visualize your ideal future.
Was like me imagining that I'm getting like when I got the news. So that was most profound. And like, yes, there are tears, not a lot, but then there was tears during that time, and it's just that excitement. So I could feel that excitement like outward. I don't know how I was looking. I think I was calm and still, but I could feel it inside. So I
Good.
don't think that I've ever done.
Awesome. Awesome. That is, again, a big win.
And I feel very light, very light.
How
And
many of you can
always
feel that
I-
energy?
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah?
I always feel. Today also I felt like that. And at this time I'm feeling that I'm very light and very at peace within. Make myself at ease by saying that मैं अपने आप को माफ करती हूँ, मैं अपने आप को माफ करती हूँ, like that.
Wonderful,
Because-
wonderful. It's a beautiful practice. रोना अकेले ही पड़ता है, हंसते हुए के साथ सारी दुनिया आती है.
Yes.
It is very simple. Okay? रोना तो आपको अकेले ही पड़ता है. But, I want to create a community जहां पे आप आके रो भी सको और हंसा तो हम देंगे ही. Okay? ठीक है? But this is the community where you can come and cry as well. Nobody is going to judge you.
Thank you.
Yes?
We should let the things go so that we can feel happy.
Can
And
I
if we-
stop you here? Can I stop you
Yes.
here for a second?
Yes.
Okay? There is a big difference between should and could. Okay? I should get up in the morning and exercise, and I could get up in the morning and exercise. Should puts a pressure on you. Could is a choice. I should feel happy. I could feel happy. When your thoughts change, your actions change. Your feelings change first, and then your actions change. When your actions change, your destiny changes. Break your own limits. Tell the clouds of stress to go away. Be your own sunshine. Can I say before we go, I am the sunshine.
I'm the sun-
I am the sunshine.
I'm the sunshine.
I am the sunshine.
Yes, I am the sunshine.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much.